Hello friends, so in the last video we learned pre-sales activities, that is inquiry and quotation. Now the customer has accepted our quotation, so what's next? Now we will complete the full SAP SD cycle, that is sales order, delivery, PGI and billing. So this is real-time end-to-end OTC process used in every company. Let's quickly understand the flow. So customer orders, we deliver, good leaves warehouse and then we generate the invoice. Okay, now we'll see part 1, that is sales order creation. So sales order is the confirmed request from the customer. So this is where actual business starts. Now system creates commitment. For example, customer agrees to buy 100 laptops. Now we create the sales order. Now let's see the practical demo. So to create sales order, T code is VA01. Click on enter. Here we need to maintain order type. I'm going to maintain standard order type as a OR. Okay, then maintain required organizational data. Click on enter. Maintain sold to party. Press enter. Ship to party will automatically populate. Now item details. Maintain material. Maintain order quantity. Click on enter. Now go to shipping tab and check plant and shipping point. Okay. Now here I haven't determined plant and shipping point. So it is not populated automatically. So I am going to maintain it manually. Click on enter and go to condition tab. Okay. Here you can see price automatically, condition record automatically determined. So go to analysis. Here you can see I have maintained this condition record manually by using T code VK11. See, condition record has found. So due to this, system automatically determines price from the condition record. Okay, now click on save. Now you can see sales order number is generated. Now best practices, you can create sales order with reference to quotation as well, because it will copy all data, okay, and it saves time, ensure correct pricing. Now system has confirmed the demand. Now we'll see second part, that is delivery. So to create delivery, we are using T code as VL01N. Okay, which means now goods need to be shipped to the customer. So delivery document tells warehouse just pick, pack and ship the good. Here you need to maintain the shipping point and you need to maintain correct selection date. So this selection date is nothing but the confirmed date, which we can see in the sales order schedule line tab. Okay. Now click on enter. Go to picking tab. Maintain storage location. So confirm pick to quantity and then save. Now you can see delivery document is saved. So this is logistic execution step. Okay. Part 3, that is PGI. So PGI means goods have physically left the warehouse. So this step is very important because what happens after PGI means stock is reduced, accounting entry generated and ownership transferred. So for PGI, just you need to go to T code VL02N. Click on enter. Here you can see your outbound delivery number. click on enter, and just here you need to press PGI, that is post good issue. Our outbound delivery has been saved. So this step impacts inventory as well as finance. Okay, now we'll see part 4, that is billing. Now company generates invoice for customer. Now revenue is recorded. So to create the invoice, T code is VF01. For billing we can call it as invoice as well. Okay, here you need to maintain the delivery number. Just click on enter. You can check the billing document type, billing date, etc. Okay, now just click on save. Whole billing document has been generated. So this step creates accounting plus revenue posting. Okay, so let's revise quickly. Sales order means demand created. Delivery means goods prepared. PGI means goods issued. Billing means invoice generated. So this is complete order to cash cycle. Okay, I will give you one example as well. Customer orders iPhone, order is created, warehouse ships, courier delivers, and invoice is generated. Same concept in SAP. So friends, today we completed full SAP SD end-to-end flow from order to billing. If you understood this, you already know 50% of SAP SD. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching video. Stay tuned.